Hello all, welcome to Ambari Cloud YouTube channel. The step-by-step procedure how to migrate Iceberg version V2 to V3. So it's a simple, and so here I'm going to run my setup and then drop existing table if it is exists, and then I'm going to create an Iceberg table here. But important here is the format version equal to 2. Okay, so I'm going to create the table, and then I'm going to insert some data, and sure, we're going to query the data here, and then let's look at the properties here. Okay, so properties format 2, and then of course this is a cow table, copy on, right? So then what we need to do is we will simply run alter command, and here set the properties and then version 3. Okay, so let's run to version 3. Now let's check the properties of the table. Now it is version 3. So what are the version 3 gives to us, right? One of the most important is lineage. I will publish another video discussing about the lineage of version 3 and then how the delete files delete works. Then I'm going to walk through the additional features of the V3. Okay, so after conversion, and now look at it, the same data is still available. Then generally, it's always recommended when you do a schema change, add a new column or drop a column or change versions, it's always rewrite the files. And so here the files are rewritten, and then after rewrite, just check the data. And then here what I'm going to do is I'm going to expire old snapshots because we rewrote, right? Rewrote means it's a brand new snapshot, and then we don't want the old snapshots, and then just clean it up, and that way you have a brand new files of the most recent snapshot, which is a V3. Okay, so I'm going to expire the snapshots, and if you look at here, it's going to delete all the old files. Then okay, so here some files are deleted, and then okay, let's run the query again. Now here I'm going to check the lineage. Okay, so in V3, right, we have a new columns, row ID, last updated sequence number. So I will explain more details about V3 lineage feature, how we can use it for lineage, when we implement V3. And then you can see what is the previous row ID, and then when it is last updated sequence number, then you can see which is the most recent row. It helps for the CDC. So this is how you migrate V2 to V3. Very simple. From your Spark, just simply alter it to. Then, as I said, make sure whenever you change a schema, then rewrite and then expire the old snapshots. Then you have a brand new V3 Iceberg table. Thank you. Bye now.